today I'm at 14 Trelinnoe Gardens in South Petherwin. I'm sat in the back garden. All I can hear are the crows talking to each other, and you can see behind me you've got this wonderful view. The property itself does have a balcony, so you can also sit out from your main bedroom and look out at this view as well. And if you look at the video, you'll see how far it does reach. This house is a detached property, and it has 4 first floor bedrooms, 1 ensuite and a good family bathroom up there as well. And then on the ground floor you've got a study, so brilliant if you're working from home, and then a living room which has got a fireplace and doors opening onto the grass area of the garden here. And then there's an archway that takes you into the formal dining room, and then you've got a very nice modern kitchen. It's got a breakfast bar, so you could sit in there and eat as well. There is a garage and there's parking space either side of the property, and you're only about 2 or 3 miles from Launceston and easy access to the A30 and anywhere else you want to go. So have a look at the video and book your viewing.
Thank you. Thank you.